Hi, my name is Stacy, and because the holidays are right around the corner, I was thinking a lot about the different side dishes that we might want to have. So I am going to show you how to make a Waldorf salad. This is an old classic, and it began in 1896 from the Waldorf Hotel in New York. It has morphed over time though. The original recipe consisted of apples and grapes and mayonnaise. So I'm going to swap the mayonnaise out for plain Greek yogurt instead. I think it will have a better outcome, at least for our today's flavors and taste buds. So the first thing we're going to do is make this dressing, which is a ½ cup of the plain Greek yogurt. Now if you want to do it the classic way, you could use mayonnaise instead, but I think this is a better choice, at least for our household. And we're going to combine 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Now, once this is combined, we're just going to set it aside until we combine the remaining of our ingredients. Okay. So that's all blended, and I'm just going to set it aside for a moment. And then I'm going to take two apples. Now, these were the 2 chopped, any kind of apples you want. I chose a Red Delicious and a Gala apple because I like the sweetness to them. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of grapes, and they are cut in half. And we're going to have a ½ cup of celery. I chopped it pretty small. A ½ cup of raisins. And a ½ cup of chopped pecans. You can use walnuts instead if you prefer. And once these are together, we're just going to add the, I guess, dressing that you could call it, back into all this fruit and nut mixture. All right. So earlier today, I did try the one with mayonnaise, and my husband kind of looked at me like I played a dirty trick on him. So that's why we decided to swap out the mayonnaise for some yogurt instead. But we did like it, for the most part. It was just the mayonnaise just kind of threw us off. I know that that was an old time favorite. I remember my grandmother bringing that up, and I had not tried it until today. So this was a surprise. The rest of the flavors though, I really did like them. And so I really think that the yogurt combined with the fruit is going to give us a better outcome. So just to give it a taste. Yeah, that's much better. Anyway, go ahead and try a Waldorf salad if you want to have it on your Thanksgiving table. Have a great day. Bye.